Hello, this is what I believe is pronounced the SKSYZN 16-inch photo box. Instruction manual here, comes in a few different languages. One of the first things it suggests to do is to unfold the unit completely, which is very awkward unless you have a large area that's a little over 6 feet in length and just over 4 feet in width. You may wind up skipping that particular stage of the installation. The box truly is 16 inches in height. Does have the 16 inches in depth, but with the Velcro pieces here, when it's attached, it's more like 15.5 inches wide instead. The light design, the wiring is awkward, flimsy. It's intended to just hook in and rest on the top. And this controller, the side that plugs in. You have a choice of colored backdrops. They all come bent. It's a bit awkward to put these in my opinion. You're intended to push it up, slide it in this little sleeve crevice in the back as far as it goes, and trying to get the ripple out of it or get this placed to sit how you like is a bit awkward in my opinion. I don't like the design. Very hard to get it to sit fully flat and nice, regardless of which of the inserts you use. The whole box itself is very flimsy. It's very awkward. It's very unstable. It's not the simplest thing to take apart or put together. I was hoping for something much simpler that just collapsed and popped up directly.